Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes. I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro, and today is Monday, April 26th. So, I I know you're wondering, why is the teacher using this hat? Well, let me tell you. Today is a happy day, Happy Kids Day. Well, Happy Kids Week. So, what are we going to do today? We're going to make slime. But how do we make slime? So first you need your glue, your artificial color for food, a spoon, the detergent, and if you want to, some glitter. So let's see how do we make this. What we do first is add our glue. Let's add the glue. We add our glue. So we add our glue like here. We add our artificial color. And we start mixing it. So we add artificial color and we mix. We mix it. Then, if you want to, you can add your glitter to the mask. Ooh. Now we add our detergent little by little. We don't add all of it. Little by little. So we add a little bit only. Good. That was a little bit, I think. And we start mixing it. Mix it. Mix it. We mix it a lot. Mix. We mix it. We mix it. I think we need to mix it more, but there it goes. You can see how I'm making slime. Mix it more, maybe add a little bit of this. And we mix it more. Then, with your hands, start doing it like this. Start making a ball. Start pushing it and pressing like this. Start doing all the slime here. May add a lot of coloring, but see. I have my slime here. Good. This is my slime. Ooh. Can you see? My slime. Your own slime that you made. This is your slime. See? Maybe be careful with the color because let's see. Your own slime. Press it, take it. But here is your own slime. Okay, and that will be all for the class. Look my hands. So just a little bit of this, not too much. Two little drops of this, no more. So your friends don't look like mine. And thank you for watching the video, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.